So, unahin po natin ang ating fourth runner-up. And ladies, thank you so much for gracing the stage once again. To award our fourth runner-ups, may we call on Dean Dili Kauling and Binibining Kanlahi Lapas 2023, Kathleen Maylel. Palakpak po natin sila. Of course, they will be winning also a crown, sash, trophy, and bouquet. An additional 2,000 gift voucher from Apo Pelino. Additional 1,000 gift voucher from VAX Medical Solution, and bouquet and sash. Alright. So, ladies and gentlemen, our Binibining La Paz 2025 fourth runner-up. We have candidate number nine from La Purísima.
Congratulations to lovely Annalise Baldos.
Palakpakan naman natin yun. And once again, thank you to Dean Dili Kauling and Binibining Kanlahi La Paz 2023, Kathleen Maylel. Congratulations to our fourth runner-up, candidate number 9 from La Purísima, lovely and Iris Baldos. Nasaan po mga taga La Purísima? Nandiyan pa ba kayo? Ayun, hello po, magandang gabi. Okay.
Gibara din yan. Yan na Purísima. Yung nanalo number 9. Taga-Gibara din yung mga Baldos.
And for our Binibining La Paz 2025 third runner-up, she is to be awarded by Judge Jean Magastak and Christine Malyari and Cheska Oga, our Binibining Kanlahi La Paz 2022. Our third runner-up would be awarded by with a sash, crown, trophy, bouquet, cash prize, 2,000 pesos gift voucher from Apo Pelino, 1,000 pesos gift voucher from VAX and Medical Solutions, plus bouquet and sash.
Alright, so, congratulations to our Binibining La Paz 2025 third runner-up! Hindi nyo mahulaan, no? 10 sila dyan, eh. So, congratulations to candidate number... Ha? Parang alam nyo, candidate number 6 from Barangay Dumarais. We have Christine Joy Guillermo. And ladies and gentlemen, our Binibining La Paz 2025 second runner-up is to be awarded by Mr. Jason David and Sir Hermit Cardoza, plus of course our andyan pa po ba siya, our incoming Vice Governor Mayor Lita Aquino. Andito na pala siya. Hi ma'am. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, siya po ay makakatanggap, aside from what we mentioned, an additional 2,000 pesos gift voucher from Apo Pelino and another 1,000 pesos gift voucher from VAX Medical Solutions, plus bouquet and sash. So, Sasha, our Binibining La Paz 2025 second runner-up is
Candidate number
is being awarded, we would like to call on the presenters for our first runner-up. We would like to call Ma'am Evangeline Guzman. We have Cap Bong Rivera, of course, our congressman, and Ma'am Evelyn Rivera, and Binibining Kanlahi Lapas 2025 Ayumi Kayabya. Our first runner-up will also be receiving an additional 2,000 gift voucher from Apo Pilino and an additional 1,000 gift voucher from BAX Medical Solutions, plus Bouquet and Sash. Wow! So, ladies and gentlemen, our Binibining La Paz 2025 first runner-up is candidate number
7.
candidate number 17 from Barangay Palutpong, Angelica Manalo.
Nadali.
So, habang ina-award po sila, we want to say our special thanks from Ma'am Abby Vergara Bautista from Bloom by AB. Thank you so much po for the 5 bouquet of flowers to our winners. So, salamat po. Woo! Now, traditionally, dapat dalawa na lang sila dyan. Pero, siyempre, tayo ay isang bayan ng progreso at pagbabago. We're doing it the non-traditional way. So, ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for us to award our Binibining La Paz 2025. Pero bago ko po yun gawin, nais ko pong i-acknowledge ang presensya ng ating incoming 2nd District Congressman. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman po ninyo our former governor and incoming congressman. Palakpakan po natin si Congressman Victor Areno. Yeah! Yan. Siyempre, Congressman Yap, maraming salamat po for taking the time to join us tonight. Sakto. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to award
17.
our Binibining La Paz 2025.
20 na.
Award our Binibining La Paz 2025, of course, we have
Roque.
Mayor Venus Fordan
San Roque.
and Mayor Susan Fordan. Governor Susan Yap. Congressman Christian Yap. And our Binibining La Paz 2024 IZ Wilson.
thank you so much, Sasha.
Roque. San Roque. Apat award.
Binibining La Paz 2025 are receiving a trophy, a crown, sash,
And bouquet. And a cash prize of 50,000 pesos. Ngayon ang ating pamamahan ng La Paz na si Mayor Venus Fordan. Sabi niya, hindi na ako ang aakyat, pero gusto niyang imbitahin sa stage ang
Kala ko
ating incoming
7, 17
congressman
pa na.
ng 2nd District of Tarlac. Ladies and gentlemen, to help award our Binibining La Paz 2025.
17
Palakpakan naman natin, Congressman Victor Areno. Yeah!
7. 19.
Alright, so, Bayan ng La Paz, ang inyong good luck ha sa Miss Philippines. Miss Universe Philippines 20.